Hello guys, welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 8th, 2021. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then the 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a Tectonic with 1 star. Total of 6 extra puzzles. I only do 3 of them. The Sudoku with 3 stars I've already solved, and the binary. So the last one I will solve for today is a 4 stars Sudoku. A tectonic, correction. It's a tectonic, and this one will be number 3366. 3366. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box. It's always a 1. Here also a single box is always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me see. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. In this puzzle, no quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shape. For example, this shape. Let me draw this. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. 3 of those shapes or figures or structures or constructions, whatever you name it. The following shape, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape or figure, this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following structure or shape or figure. This figure. Alright. This figure. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that one. Yeah. Well, those are the figures or shapes that you need to know, to recognize. We have here 4. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 4. Then the following step, it's easy then for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be in one of those 3 boxes. Well, that means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, and those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So this should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. That means that those 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be also a 2. It's connected with each other, alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 3, this box is connecting with that box, should be so 1 or the 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, this box cannot be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark those. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Correct, it's a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 4. This box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it's going to be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Definitely a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright, 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. Let me mark those, 2 and 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box is connected, sorry. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright. So let me continue. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers. 1 number left in this area for number 4. Alright, I think this box. Wait. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be a 3? We have this 3 in the same area. Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Yes, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So now we have a 5 here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes, wait. This box can be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. But is this really a 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 40 minutes. So it's not a 4 stars, it's not a 3 stars, because for 3 stars 20 to 30 minutes, and it's not a 2 stars because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes. So it's definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, people. And you can find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.